Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Hey guys, it's your girl CrystalRenèe and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I am giving you an update on the cuttings I received from Allie's Plants. It's been approximately a little bit over 3 weeks since I've received these cuttings and placed them in water. I want to show you where the roots are as of now. So I'm going to pull them out slowly. Try not to disturb the roots. And as you can see, that is the root system on these babies now. I do think there is enough root to go ahead and pop them up, so I will be doing that now with you here with me. So let me adjust my camera down so you guys can see. You won't be able to see my face, but you will definitely be able to see what I am doing. So I'm gonna move these to the side. And we're gonna start by separating these. So I'm gonna put the micins to the side. Look at the roots on that. It is definitely ready. This one actually sprouted a new leaf as it was in the water. This micins as well. And the rest of these are my Cebu Blue. This little stem here. This little stem as well. And these are the Cebu Blue. So I'm going to pot them up with you all today. We'll pot up the micins in this. Excuse my air conditioner that just popped on. Kind of want to put enough. These up together. I kind of want this more higher, so maybe I'll just set it on top of this soil and then pour more on there. And that is what that plant looks like. Same thing for this one. So that is what it looks like. Once it's all potted up. So now I have them all potted up. This is what the micans look like. Potted. Can't wait to see how fast it grows. Same for the Cebu Blue. It is all potted up. And I'm definitely anxious to give you guys an update on these babies and how they look in some time. I'm gonna water them and put them in their places, and I will be giving you an update on what they will look like in the future. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't following me already, please subscribe. And if you are, thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. And I love reading your comments. So please leave me a comment below telling me what you think of this video, or what you think of the plants, or whatever you want to say. If you just want to say hey, do so in my comments below. And until next time, happy growing. Bye. Hey, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. And until next time, happy growing.